if I remember, if this is at the building that I am thinking of, we are in for something very, very neat. But I see a modded 12 station, so hello, maybe they're not modded. Let's see. All right, let's hope the inside's original. Oh, wow. Wow. Look at this. That's awesome. Original Montgomery. Nice. All right, let's take a look at the COP here. Wow. Oh, wow. I've never seen that light on a Montgomery. These are so neat. All right, let's go down to LL. Yeah, these are completely original. That is definitely the original controller too. All right, up we go to 7. Nice. Wow. These run in a really weird way. So they start moving, and then a few seconds later, they accelerate a little more. But there's like a significant few seconds between when they first start moving and then when they accelerate more. It's weird. So now we stop, or now we decelerate, and now we stop. Let's get a view. That one's single speed. Interesting. So it looks like only the buttons were replaced, or only the call buttons were replaced. It's actually a pretty decent view as well. All right, let's go back down. Oh, we missed it. That's all right. We'll get a different car. In the meantime, why is there no elevator right there? Is there a service behind it, or is it a stairway, or what is it? Oh, it's neither. That's bizarre. I'm just going for a project.
Oh, okay.
Whenever it comes.
Do you know where you're going?
Yeah.
Okay.
Whenever it gets up here.
It takes a while, usually.
You'd think 3 elevators for 8 floors, or not even, would be enough.
They move really slow. That one's the worst.
Oh, really?
A freight one.
Ah, speaking of the devil.
Get the jackpot.
1?
Yes,
You
please.
got it. Guess it just doesn't have it. Take care.
You too. Thanks.
Thank you. All right, we'll go back up to 7. So here we start up. And we, oh, it doesn't do it. Okay, you know what? I want to switch cars because I want to get one that does the weird accelerating thing. I think she's right. This one is slower. Like, I swear this one's slightly slower than the other ones. Oh, is it going all the way up? Okay, good. Oh, it is? What? Got off on 6. Is 3 just locked, or the button doesn't work, or just did it completely ignore my call? Also, I think it's just ignoring my calls. Oh no. If you notice here, this 4 is skinnier than that 4. I don't know, just something I noticed. Let's get another one. And we'll end it up at the top. I wonder what that building is. What is that?
Imaš već neko da radi?
Da, on je prvi čovjek koji radi za muškar, on je radio za sad.
Vidim.
That one's going up. This one's
This one's
going
going
up.
up?
Oh, going up?
Up. This one's up. Take care. So now it starts, and now it accelerates. Yeah, because the other one doesn't do that acceleration, it just starts. So I think it's actually a slower speed. All right. Montgomery. Nice. All right. And that is going to be it.